Everyone, today we are going to take errors of preposition. So we have some examples, we will take it. So here we go with our first example. The widely publicized manifesto of the new party is not much different than ours. So we have to determine in which part there is error. So here we see that much different than ours. So it is not correct because much different than ours. So different generally don't comes with then, so it will be here different from ours. So we got our correct option as option number C. Now coming to next one, I was taken with surprise when I saw the glamorous Apu Ghar. So here we see that I was taken with surprise. So with must not be used here because it will come like I was taken to surprise when I saw the glamorous Apu Ghar. So we have got our correct option as option number A. Next, man needs security and leisure of free thinking. Leisure of free thinking. So here we have error in option number C because man needs security and leisure of free thinking. No, it's not, because of free thinking doesn't come. It will come as for free thinking. Okay, so we have got our option as option number C. So now moving to next, this watch is superior and more expensive than that, and the last part is no error. So we see clearly that here we have given superior alone, so superior does not come alone. It always come with superior to, like with superior to. So we have got our correct option as B. Now moving to next, I was apparent for everyone present that if the patient did not receive medical attention fast, he would die. And last option is given as no error. So it was apparent for everyone. So for is not correct here. It was apparent to everyone present that if the patient did not receive medical attention fast, he would die. So the option A is correct here because in the for here 2 must be there. It was apparent to everyone. So now moving to next, he knows well what is expected from him, but he is not able to fulfill all the expectation. So here what is expected from him, but he is not able to fulfill all the expectations. So what is expected of him here comes. So of him, what is expected of him? So we got our correct option as option number B. Now moving to next, my brother has ordered for a new book. So ordered for नहीं आएगा, इधर आएगा ordered only. So we will not. So okay. So order नहीं आके सिर्फ यहाँ पे order आएगा, इसलिए option number B is correct. And now option number question number 8, that Brutus, who was trusted friend, had attacked on him, cause hurt break to Julius Caesar, no error. So here we see that attacked on him. So attacked on him and had attacked on him. So on him नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे सिर्फ आएगा attacked him. So on नहीं आएगा, इसलिए यहाँ ऑप्शन हो गया ये वाला B. नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट, भुवन वाज ब्लाइंड विद वन आई. तो ये तो बड़ा सिंपल है, ब्लाइंड विद नहीं आता है कभी भी, ब्लाइंड इन वन आई करके आएगा और बस फिर ये ठीक हो गया. तो ये आ गया हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर बी करेक्ट. द डॉक्टर नाउ नेक्स्ट, द डॉक्टर अटेंडेड टू द पेशेंट वेरी क्वाइटली. सो ये है द डॉक्टर अटेंडेड टू पेशेंट वेरी क्वाइटली एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज नो एरर. सो वी सी दैट देर इस हमें लग नहीं रहा है इसमें कोई भी. द डॉक्टर अटेंडेड टू द पेशेंट वेरी क्वाइटली. सो सब कुछ यहाँ पे ठीक है, तो नो एरर. एंड 11th, आई वॉज शॉक्ड टू हियर दैट हिज फादर डाइड ऑफ एन एक्सीडेंट. सो कभी भी जब भी कोई व्यक्ति एक्सीडेंट में मरता है या फिर कुछ भी होता है तो उसके साथ हमेशा इन आता है. इन एक्सीडेंट मतलब अगर बीमारी से मरा या फिर कुछ भी ऐसी बात हो जिसमें मतलब कुछ अनफॉर्चुन हो, मतलब जो कि एक्सपेक्टेड ना हो, इस उससे मरे तो हमेशा उसमें इन आएगा, ऑफ नहीं आएगा. सो यहाँ पे इन आना चाहिए था, सो ऑप्शन हमारा हो गया ये सी। मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट, I must start at dawn to reach the station in time, and no error is given also here. So here we see that I must start at dawn to reach the station in time, so this is I think correct, yes. And here so we have got the option no error as correct one. So moving to question number 13, no one could dare to encroach on his rights, and the last option is, सो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि इनक्रोच ऑन दिया हुआ है, तो इनक्रोच ऑन नहीं आएगा, इनक्रोच अपॉन हिज राइट्स, एंड लास्ट वन इज नो एरर. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज द फादर ब्रोट द स्वीट्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड देम बिटवीन हिज फाइव चिल्ड्रन. सो हमें पता है कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन नहीं आके यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था अमंग, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे आ गया ऑप्शन नंबर सी करेक्ट. और 15 हम देख लेते हैं. रमन डेवलप द हैबिट फॉर स्लीपिंग लेट व्हेन ही वाज स्टेइंग इन हॉस्टल. फॉर स्लीपिंग कभी नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा रमन डेवलप द हैबिट ऑफ, सो इसलिए हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो गया बी. सो दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू.